National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management (NIFTEM), Thanjavur, and also it is Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology (IIFPT). Recruitment for Senior Research Fellowship, Junior Research Fellowship, Project Associate, Young Professionals on contract basis. And the commencement of online application is from 27th of October, and the last date to apply is 16th November 2021. The number of vacancies for Senior Research Fellowship are 6 in number. The qualification is MTech or PhD in Food Process Technology, Food Technology, Food Process Engineering, Agriculture Process, Food Science and Technology, Food Science and Nutrition, Food and Nutrition, Chemical Engineering, Biotechnology, Packaging Technology, Plastic Technology, Chemistry, Biochemistry, Food Chemistry, Microbiology, Food Technology, and also Food Safety and Quality Management. So this is all the eligibility criteria to apply for this Senior Research Fellowship. And also MSc degree, that is 3 years plus of UG plus 2 years of PG in the disciplines with NET or PhD is required to apply for this post. The remuneration is 31,000 plus HRA for Senior Research Fellowship. In this project, ultrasound processing of liquid food in pilot scale, one vacancy. The master's degree is required, and also MSc with NET qualified are also applicable to apply for this post. Again, in this project, that is design and development of ohmic heating for soaking. For this senior SRF, one vacancy. The eligibility criteria is MTech or PhD in 4 years UG plus 2 years PG in Food Technology, Food Engineering, Food Process Engineering, or Electrical Engineering, or Food Technology, Food and Agriculture Process Engineering, Processing and Food Engineering, Chemical Engineering. So they can apply for this post. The remuneration is 31,000 plus HRA. This is SRF, design and development of ohmic heating system for soaking and pro-boiling of paddy and stabilized barn. So electrical engineering and chemical engineering are eligible to apply for this vacancy. This is only one vacancy. 31,000 is a consolidated stipend you will get. And for Senior Research Fellowship in the project of drying of oil powders, one vacancy. MTech in Food Process Engineering, Food Science and Technology, Biotechnology, Chemical Engineering, Nanotechnology, allied disciplines, or MSc, the required disciplines with NET or SLET or PhD are eligible to apply, and the consolidated stipend is 31,000 plus HRA. And Senior Research Fellowship, one vacancy in drying of fruit and vegetable. MTech in Food Process Engineering, Food Science Technology, Biotechnology, Chemical Engineering, Nanotechnology, allied disciplines, or MSc in the disciplines with PhD also required. So same is the criteria, 31,000 plus HRA. And Junior Research Fellowship in the project of pineapple fruit waste, that is processing by products, characterization and its utilization in development of millets based probiotic fermented product, one vacancy. The qualification required is MTech, MSc in Food Science, Food Process Engineering, Food Agriculture Process Engineering, Process of and Food Engineering, Food Microbiology, or MSc plus NET qualified. 31,000 is plus HRA is the remuneration you will get. SRF, it is Institute Project. Vacancies are one vacancy. The qualification is MTech, MSc, PhD or PhD in all this technology, food related disciplines, or MSc plus NET qualified is required to apply for this vacancy. For Senior Research Fellowship, one number. MTech or MSc or PhD in Food Science, Food and Nutrition, Chemical Engineering, Biotechnology, Chemistry, Analytical Chemistry, Biochemistry, Food Chemistry, Microbiology, Food Technology and Management, Food Process Engineering, or MSc plus NET qualified or PhD required for this discipline. For Project Assistant, One number, the eligibility criteria is bachelor degree in food process engineering or food science and technology, or BSc in food science, nutrition, biotechnology, or biochemistry, or microbiology, or MSc in any disciplines required for this vacancy. The pay scale is around 20,000 plus HRA because it is a project assistant in incubation center, and project assistant in development of ready to cook products, one vacancy. MTech or BTech in food process engineering, food technology, food science and technology, agriculture processing, or MSc in biotechnology, food science, nutrition. So 20,000 plus HRA is the required remuneration you will get. And for project assistant, development of active packaging systems for vegetables, one number, a bachelor degree in food process engineering, food technology, food science, technology, agriculture process. This is the eligibility criteria. And MSc in biotechnology, 20,000 plus HRA. For young professionals, the master's degree in food engineering, food science, technology, food process engineering, post harvest management, food science and nutrition, or master's degree in the disciplines required, that is food process engineering, and preference will be given to the candidates having proficiency in Punjabi and Hindi language. The consolidated amount is 25,000. So the age criteria for SRF JRF is 35 years for men and 40 years for women, and 500 rupees is the application fee. For SC ST women, they are exempted from paying any fees. Tenure for the project of SRF JRF will be for 6 months, and until completion of project which was earlier. So selected candidates will have to work 6 days in a week except second Saturday and government holidays. So the applicant must ensure that they fulfill the eligibility criteria, and they have to apply through online at iiftfpt.edu.in. So the link will be given in the description. A candidate must not upload soft copies of all certificates of relevant documents in support. So they need to upload all the relevant educational qualification details. And if you have any doubts after successful submission of online application, the candidates are instructed to sign the hard copy of the download application form and the sign in application form with self-attested copies. They need to be scanned, and the scanned PDF file to be sent to this email ID, that is projectrecruitment@iifpt.edu.in within 3 days of the last day, that is before the 16th. You need to send this. So eligible candidates alone will be called for online written exam followed by interview. So the commencement of online examination is commencement of application is 27th of October. The last date is 16th of November 2021. They will be called for online written examination and followed by online interview, that is a selection procedure. So online written examination, you need to have a syllabus for examination related to food processing sector. The question paper consists of 40 MCQs, 1 mark each, and 2 essay questions, and no negative marking. The recommended configuration of the laptop is much. This is regarding the number of vacancies at Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology for SRF JRF young professionals. Last date is 16th of November 2021.